gonna say that. Oh my god. Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can see, I'm joining the Cannon Run in the trusty Golf R. We're going to catch up with the guys now, try and get to our first location, and have a look at these cars. Go and enjoy the day with them. So, sorry about the hair, I've just parked the Golf up there. She's doing well keeping up with all this lot. We've got some serious metal here today. I'm going to go around the car park and just have a look through because serious amounts of stuff here. The size of this G-Wagon, actually hilarious size. Okay, so one of the things I've already noticed and I absolutely love is the variety of cars. So I've got Ferraris and RS, S3s, MG. Just come up on this Lambo, but like, look at this. Nice bit of livery on the front. Some pace cars there. This car though, bagged 458. Obviously the convertible with the Liberty Walk kit on it, full carbon down here. 3-piece wheels, ceramic brakes behind it. Absolutely phenomenal car. Look at the carbon on it. I mean, to be honest, if I was, you know, looking to buy a supercar, this is the first thing I'd do to it. And I know a lot of people be like, why would you cut it up? But oh, I'd definitely cut my supercar up all day long. I don't understand this wrap, but I like it. It's really, really cool. It's like velvet brown with a gold tinted front windscreen. That is sheer madness. There with gold accents. Mercedes, a Polo. See, I love the idea of the amount of variety of cars here. That's why I really like this run. Nuts. Oh, look at the wing on this. Look at the wing on this. What a lad. That is a beast of a wing, mate. Well done. That's a wing and a half. That is. Loads of cool cars. Even look at this Mitsubishi Colt. Right, so we are jumping in. Oh my god, right. Oh my god, dude. God, right. Oh, how'd she get in this thing? Jesus, she's low to the ground, isn't she? Check my hand. Dude, this is going to be a absolutely nuts way to see the Isle of Wight. We're going to go down in this Liberty Walk 458. This is going to be absolutely That's nuts, isn't it? Oh my god. Put the window down. This is the first time I've been in one of these, so I don't know what I'm doing. GTR as well, dude. That is nuts. Rocket Bunny. Yeah. Rocket Bunny. GTR. Look at this. Bloody Ferrari, mate. Look at that. So this is the most nuts thing I've ever been in my entire life. Lovely. Oh, we're sideways! Yes! That's the way you use your Ferrari, mate. Looks like it's a show when it looks up. But no, mate, go and diffuse it. That's the spirit. Drifting a Liberty Walk 458 ramp as you do. Normal, as you day. This thing sounds absolutely insane. Arbitrary exhaust system on it, and when you change gear, it's like an actual backfire every time. The sound of the car is insane. Look at the view on that. Here's the Liberty Walk 458. Oh, she picks up well, doesn't she? What a thing! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, as well, man! phenomenal. Legend. Uses his car properly as well. What a lad. That's what we like to see. Oh dear. This GTR, look at the pearl in the paint, man. Okay, so that was one of the most craziest drives I've ever taken down that road. I've taken a fair few cars down that road. We've got the GTR sat next to us, the Paformante. Oh, phenomenal bunch of cars here. What location as well as a second stop. Absolutely mental. Look at this RS6. Oh, the ultimate rally car. Look how low this Ferrari is there. Let's just go back over to it. Look at this, actually sat in the grass. Mental. Now this has, for people that want to know, it actually has the carbon fibre Liberty Walk kit on it, as you can see. Back. Army Tricks exhaust system. Pff, absolutely phenomenal. Phenomenal cars. Look at Jason getting in there, parks his van here, and he's cleaning your car, mate. That's all right, isn't it?
You do detailing, yeah.
You love it, don't you? You love cars, and
you know what, he looks the best.
He is, yeah. He's on it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, got the MSRT out here, and giving the Ferrari a little bit of loving, didn't we, mate? Especially after the going we did down there. We enjoyed ourselves down there, mate, didn't we? Get all the stuff off it, because enjoying cars is what it's all about. You've got to keep it clean for the pictures, ain't you?